hospitals. So ladies and gentlemen, please give her a nice hand. Our dear friend of the community, Councilwoman Mercedes Narcisse.
And good evening, everyone. It's a pleasure for me to be here. And Mark, you're so diverse. I don't know. You're friend with everyone. You make it so easy for everyone to be together. So once again, my name is Mercedes Narcisse, and I represent District 46 that cover Canarsie, Flatman, Georgetown, Vernon, Millbase, and Milan, and Marine Park, Garrison Beach, and Chicken Bay. So I have a very diverse district. So it is imperative for me, not only as a city council member to represent everyone, but as a nurse for many decades, to represent people is a pleasure. Not only to represent, but to care about people's interests. Culture. Understand the fact that I came from Haiti, that's a first start for me to know that I have the responsibility to represent and understand everyone around the world. I don't know, May is Heritage Month for Haitian descent, right? So in our culture, the first thing our ancestors had to do is to make sure talking about freedom when no one wanted to talk about freedom. So being in this country is giving me an opportunity to make sure I lead by example where my ancestor was going with me. To make sure I address the inequities in our community, whether it's healthcare, education, housing. It is important because we're not alone. Once you're in New York City, you see the Statue of Liberty. The liberty mean what to you? The torch mean what to you? Freedom for everyone. And understand and support each other. And another way, since I'm a woman, I have to push women agenda. It is important because when you push women agenda, actually you're taking care of everybody. Without a woman, no one will be in the room. The continuity of us taking care of women and men around us. So I'm here to support. I see so many ladies here, and I have to tell you, you have a friend in the council. Because you know for far too long, our issues have been put in the back burner. So I'm here as a sister, as a mother, as a friend to make sure your issues in the forefront. It is time to change things around. That's the first time in the city council we have 31 women representing. 31 women. The first time ever we took the lead. Guess what? Things are getting done. We are approaching things in a strategic way. We're intentional about addressing inequities for real. And it's difficult, but when women think and women work, things get done. So we get things done. And the first time ever, we have a woman speaker in the city council, a black woman, Adrienne Adams. So many chair positions that we have in the city council, you know what? Women in lead. Whether it's housing, whether it's healthcare, whether it's hospitals. All right? So we're doing our thing. So we are here to make sure. Tonight is a special night, and I have to come back to it, even though I have to give the message. It's a prayer and loving time. For me, my son is Muslim, and he has to go to the Ramadan time as well. So it is a time for loving, understanding, respect for each other. So I am very, very, very pleased to celebrate with you. And whatever I can do, I will be there for you.
Thank you.
I'm here for you. So we're going to continue praying together, but addressing the issue at the same time. I have some of the celebrating Eid, you cannot, it's so special. You spend on so many days fasting and prayer. So I know you're about to eat a lot, right guys? You got all the time because my son is ready to eat. He told me he's gonna eat a lot tonight. So I have a few citations. Oh, that's already the first?
He's a professor from Brooklyn College.
Okay, professor from Brooklyn College, Dr. Yanni Pierce. Thank you. Oh, you were so fast, you already know who that.
Come here, Ian.
Call everybody came outside and take a picture.
After we're gonna.
Yeah, so that's.
So you can sit here, we're gonna take a picture, everybody gonna take a picture. And then we're gonna call, I'm gonna follow the lead of this gentleman here. You know, sometimes we have to work together. We love the guys too. Sagir Khan. Dr. Farah Sabah.
It's me.
Oh. Oh, Mark. Oh, I don't know this guy. Mark Appel. Who are you? He's amazing. He's always putting people together. Swad Ben Zalim.
Mrs. Sarina. Mrs. Sarina. Thank you.
The next one is Mayira Rasem. Thank you so much. So, congratulations, all of you. And I'm just gonna read, let me read one quote because I didn't want to read all of them. Whereas a great city is only as great as those persons who give their time, their service to their community, whether through unique personal achievement in their professional or other endeavors, or simply through a lifetime of philanthropy and community service. Such service, which is truly the lifeblood of the community and the city, so often goes unrecognized, unrewarded. Now, therefore, be you that did do so much work, all of you guys, thank you so much for your service. Such service, which is truly the lifeblood of the community and the city. Like we said, never, sometimes you do so much hard work in your community, like Mark, and nobody sees it. But we want to say that as a duly elected official, Mercedes Narcisse, recognize your work.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. May God bless you. Thank you. Thank you.
2 weeks ago, I attended a councilwoman's birthday, and she really knows how to throw a party, and she knows how to dance also. And late happy birthday, Mercedes. And I also have a gift for you from
Oh my God.
all the way from Kashmir, and it's handmade. I would like to present it to you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Come on, let's open it. It's all hands.
Oh my. Thank you. Thank you.
You know what, it's a week later, but we can sing happy birthday together. You guys want to sing? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mercedes. Happy birthday to you. Birthday nights are accepted, right? We're celebrating your birthday all month, right?
I have to do it.
Oh, okay.
Thank you, amazing. Thank you so much.
We'll keep in touch. And you're going to be re-elected. We're with you and support
So can I invite you, Orlando? Yeah. So Orlando.